We would help every single person that hit us up in a DM or on the phone or on Reddit or wherever. We would help every single one of you if we could. Like, that's the honest to God truth. Unfortunately, doctors are expensive. A lot of you guys don't call us until you've been using 7-OH for a year and a half, and you're kind of at the end of your rope. So that creates a problem. So we thought it was a good idea to at least create another resource. Um, so we just came out with this ebook that basically, for people who can't go through the standard like clear recovery detox method, an ebook that will at least walk you through the steps, tell you what to expect, and make the withdrawal process as painless as possible without actually using a physician, because we know that's not an option for 100% of people, unfortunately.